Hello there. Welcome to Easy English Challenge number 21. This segment focuses on English reading and listening. Let's start. Welcome to our reading and listening challenge. In this segment, you'll hear a short passage read aloud. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main ideas, key details, and vocabulary. After listening, test your comprehension with a few questions or discuss what you learned with a friend. Ready to sharpen your English listening and reading skills? Let's get started. Today's story is about Grandpa's wisdom. Liam loved visiting his grandfather's farm during the summer. One evening, as they walked through the fields, Liam noticed his grandfather was quiet. After a while, Grandpa looked at him and asked, "Liam, what do you want to be when you grow up?" Liam thought about it and replied, "I want to be successful and make a lot of money." Grandpa nodded but said nothing, his eyes twinkling with a hint of wisdom. The next morning, Grandpa invited Liam to help him plant seeds in the field. As they worked together, Grandpa explained, "Each seed needs time, patience, and care to grow. If we rush it, we could spoil the crop." Liam listened carefully, realizing his grandfather wasn't just talking about seeds. "Success is like this, Liam. It's not just about money. It's about putting in effort, having patience, and growing something valuable over time." By the end of summer, Liam saw the crops they had planted begin to sprout. He looked at his grandfather, understanding his message better now. Grandpa smiled and said, "Remember, success isn't measured by how much you have, but by how well you grow and help others grow too." Liam took his grandfather's advice to heart, realizing that true success was about building a life with purpose and kindness, not just wealth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share so others could get the benefits as well. We have more videos coming up. Stay tuned.